AMD's CEO Lisa Su just unveiled some exciting new artificial intelligence chips, the MI350 and MI400 series, which are designed to go head-to-head with NVIDIA's top-notch Blackwell processors. These new chips are a big deal because AMD has been working hard to steal some of NVIDIA's thunder in the rapidly growing AI chip market. During the event, some big-name executives from companies like xAI, Meta Platforms, and Oracle hopped on stage to chat about how they're using AMD's processors. Su also laid out AMD's plans for the next year, which look pretty similar to NVIDIA's annual release schedule. AMD's been playing catch-up with NVIDIA, but they're making some strategic moves to close the gap. They recently acquired server builder ZT Systems, which should help them launch complete AI systems that rival NVIDIA's products. AMD's also been on a shopping spree, acquiring 25 companies in the past year to boost their AI capabilities. They even snagged a team from chip startup Untether AI and hired some folks from generative AI startup Lamini. One area where AMD still needs to improve is their software, Durokiem, which has struggled to compete with NVIDIA's CUDA. Despite this, Su's confident about AMD's prospects, especially with AI chips. In fact, she mentioned that AMD expects strong double-digit growth from AI chips, even with export curbs to China. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.